Hello, I'm Keryn Chalmers, Dean of the School of Business, Law and Entrepreneurship at Swinburne University. As an accountant and member of the International Panel of Accountancy Education, it is my pleasure to share some insights on global developments influencing accounting education, and particularly developments in sustainability reporting. Just as there are international financial reporting standards, assurance standards, ethics standards, and public sector standards, there are also international accounting education standards. Professional bodies around the globe, such as CPA Australia and the Chartered Accountants of Australia and New Zealand, who are members of the International Federation of Accountants, have an obligation to adopt these international accounting education standards. And hence, the technical competencies, professional skills, values, ethics and attitudes required are enshrined in their accreditation standards for aspiring and professional accountants. There is an opportunity for accountants to bring these competencies and skills to bear and engage on sustainability issues. Sustainability is increasingly becoming a mainstream issue in the capital markets. It impacts decision making and affects organisational value. The accounting education standards and supporting resources that influence accounting curricula around the globe need to reflect this. Understanding the contributions that accountants can make in this space is not new. In fact, the International Federation for Accountants had a discussion paper on accounting for sustainability back in 2015, titled From Sustainability to Business Resilience. It articulated all the areas where accountants can contribute in this space: leadership and business strategy, management, operations, communication, reporting and disclosure, and assurance. Since then, IFAC has been reinforcing the sustainability message, namely that the accountancy profession is well placed to meet the advisory, preparatory and assurance sustainability related needs of organisations through leveraging existing foundational skills and through obtaining new subject matter expertise. Recent developments in corporate reporting reinforce the role for the accounting profession. There have been multiple influences on the reporting of environmental, social and governance information. Some of this has been through legislation, some industry recommendations, some market and stakeholder demanded as community standards on climate and social responsibility evolve. Accordingly, it is an evolving field of practice. However, it has been a space that can be difficult to navigate given the multiple and diverse frameworks that have been developed around the world. For example, there's the work of the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, the Global Reporting Initiative, the International Integrated Reporting Council, the Carbon Disclosure Project, and the Climate Disclosure Standards Board. But with the formation of the International Sustainability Standards Board, established by the IFRS Foundation, we are seeing environment, governance, and social reporting likely to become part of general purpose financial reporting. In 2022, the IFRS Foundation has issued 2 exposure drafts. One, an exposure draft on general requirements for disclosure of sustainability-related financial information, and the other, an exposure draft on climate-related disclosures. These disclosure requirements have the support from the International Organization of Securities Commissions. They are being described as the global baseline, specifying governance, strategy, risk management, metrics and targets for sustainability-related financial disclosures and climate-related disclosures. To meet the opportunity presenting with an evolving reporting landscape, it is increasingly important that both existing and aspiring professional accountants gain access to training and education that builds their knowledge of new sustainability-related transactions, events or requirements, and that allows them to move forward confidently in this space. This is why we are seeing much more emphasis on sustainability in the accounting curriculum. Thank you.